Dear students, Namaste. Today you have to study the last topic, that is Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation is related to the activation energy, rate constant and temperature. So, what is Arrhenius equation? During the study of effect of temperature on a chemical reaction, he observed that the rate of a chemical reaction is nearly doubled if temperature is raised by 10 degree Celsius, that you have studied earlier. So, Arrhenius studied that rate of reaction is double when temperature is raised by 10 degree Celsius. So, he established a mathematical relationship in between the rate constant and absolute temperature called Arrhenius equation. What is Arrhenius equation? K is equal to A e to the power minus EA by RT. It is called Arrhenius equation. It is mathematical relationship in between rate constant, absolute temperature as well as activation energy, where K is rate constant, A is frequency factor or pre-exponential factor, EA is activation energy, R molar gas constant. Its value is what? That you have read 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. T, it is the absolute temperature, means temperature in degree Celsius plus 273. Now, on applying log in equation 1, we get ln k. What is meaning of ln? Log on base E. ln k is equal to ln A minus EA by RT. Such equation is obtained after applying log. If the reaction is carried out at two different temperatures, that is T1 and T2, then the equation second can be written as ln K1, means rate constant at different temperature will be different. So, ln K1 is equal to ln A minus EA by RT1. Here temperature is capital T1 and hence rate constant indicated by K1, and there is no change in ln A because it is pre-exponential factor, its value is constant. Again, at temperature 2, it will be written ln K2, means log on base E K2 is equal to ln A minus EA by RT2. It is equation number 4. At first temperature, equation is 3rd, and second temperature, equation is 4. So, there is no change in ln A because it is constant. Then, we have to calculate the single equation. How can we get single equation? If equation 1 is subtracted from equation 2, then we get ln K2 minus ln K1 is equal to ln A minus EA by RT2 minus, and again we have to write it in bracket, ln A minus EA by RT1. As it is in the form of log A minus log B, so we can write it log A by B, means ln K2 by K1 is equal to ln A minus EA by RT2. Now multiply these factors by minus. It will be equal to minus ln A plus EA by RT1. Now ln A will be cancelled because it is plus ln A and it is minus ln A, so it is cancelled. Now ln K2 by K1 is equal to, write at first positive term, that is EA by RT1 minus EA by RT2. So log on base E K2 by K1 is equal to EA by RT1 minus EA by RT2. Again we can write this equation as, how can we write it? ln K2 by K1 is equal to EA by R. EA by R is common, so EA by R into 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2, or we can write ln K2 by K1 is equal to EA by R. T1 T2 is common here, LCM is T1 T2, so in numerator we have to write T2 minus T1. So ln K2 by K1 is equal to EA by R, T2 minus T1 by T1, T2. Now we have to remove ln, means now we have to write log. So we can write here log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 R. Why here 2.303? Because ln means log on base E. It is converted on log base 10. When we convert the log on base E on log base 10, then what happens? You have read, we have to multiply it by 2.303. If it is multiplied by 2.303, then in right side it will be in denominator, and hence I have written here directly log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 R into T2 minus T1 by T1 T2. It is the equation or final equation that help you to calculate activation energy of a chemical reaction or temperature. So this is more accurate equation to calculate activation energy or rate constant at two different temperature. Now it is thermodynamical relationship, means this equation is thermodynamical relationship in between absolute temperature and rate constant, that is K, and absolute temperature capital T. It can be explained easily by plotting a graph in between L and K, means log on base E K, and 1 by T, means opposite of absolute temperature, we get, what will we get? See here, it is a graph plotted in between L and K and absolute temperature. Inverse of absolute temperature means 1 by T. On x-axis 1 by T is taken, and on y-axis L and K, means rate constant, and the upper point indicates the fixed value, that is L and A. Its value does not change, and slope of this graph is in the form of dy by dx. So it indicates EA by R or EA by 2.303 R, because this value is fixed. So slope is used, or slope determines the value of EA by R or EA by 2.303 R. Here ln is written, so only we have to write EA by R. If log on base 10 is written, then we have to write EA by 2.303 R. But here I have written ln K, so you have to write here the slope indicates EA by R. It is clear? This slope is according to quadratic equation. It is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. It clearly indicates this graph. Now, collision theory. What is collision theory? As you have read, collisions are essential to occur the chemical reactions. You have also read, all the collisions are not responsible to form the product. Only few collisions are responsible to form the products. Now, what is collision theory? This theory states that first, reactant molecules at first collide with sufficient amount of kinetic energy, and proper orientations, means if orientations is not proper, then chemical reaction does not take place easily. So reactant molecules at first collide with sufficient amount of kinetic energy and proper orientation, so that the bond among the reactant molecules breaks, means bonds of reactant will break and new bond exists to form the products. All collisions are not responsible to occur the chemical reaction. Only a few collisions are responsible to form the product, called effective collisions, that you have read earlier also. Now, second point. What is the second point? Due to activation energy and proper orientation, rate constant of effective collisions are determined by the following formula. What is the formula? K is equal to P Z AB e to the power EA minus RT. Again, EA is activation energy, R is the molar gas constant, its value is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. T is absolute temperature, means temperature in degree Celsius plus 273. Z is, or ZAB is the collision frequency of reactant A and B. Suppose here reactants are A and B. So ZAB indicates collision frequency of A and B. And what is P? P is probability factor or steric factor. No problem in it. And whole equation means e to the power minus EA by RT together is known as fraction molecules, because fraction of molecules either increase or decrease during the chemical reaction. So according to collision theory, K is equal to what? P Z AB e to the power minus EA by RT. It means, or it clearly indicates that collisions are essential to occur the chemical reactions. Without collision, chemical reaction does not occur. So question may be asked, why chemical reaction takes place? The chemical reaction takes place due to collision. And if collision takes place among the reactant molecules, then old bond breaks and new bond forms in between the atoms or molecules to form the product. Is it clear? Rest will be next day. Topic is finished. So next day I will discuss about numericals of this chapter, and you have to solve numericals of this chapter also yourselves. Thank you. Have a nice day.